Hi guys, this is the girls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. So guys, today I'm going to show you small item that I bought from Temu, guys. I was just giving it a try. I wanted to see will I get my things from Temu, because you know. But anyway, guys, that's what I'm going to do on this one. So this one, guys, is my wireless Lavira microphone. Guys, I'm so excited to have this microphone, guys. Yo, you don't know, guys. As you can see, guys, it's having this mic, and then this other thing you insert it in your phone. Guys, the way I'm so excited with this new baby here, guys. Yo, guys, I was so very happy. And guess what, guys? It's the one that I'm using right now. Can you feel it, guys? Can you hear my sound? That's the same thing that I'm using, guys. So if you want it, guys, you can purchase it. You can get it also on Temu. So yeah, guys, this new baby here, guys, wow, made my day. So this other one, that's the one that you insert under your phone where you put your charger. That's where you insert it. And then this one, that's where you put charger. While you insert it in your phone, you can also charge it while it's there on your phone, so that you won't have that low battery low stuff. So yeah, guys, yo guys, the way I wanted this microphone, yo the way I wanted this microphone, guys, no one knows, guys. Only me who knows. But anyway, I'm so happy because finally, your girl is having a microphone, guys. The wireless microphone. You guys, I'm so excited. And then on this box, guys, it comes with a charger. That's our charger, guys. You use it to charge your microphone. Yeah, it comes with a charger. As you can see, you insert it there by the side. Nebona, guys. Do you see, guys? So yeah, it's work like that, and then voila. Guys, nyabangena, ayo bias, nyabangena, 1 2 1 2, test 1 2 1 2, yeah. Yeah, guys, we were so excited. I was very excited to finally. And then this one's my item number 2. I forgot Utibi's one. This one was my item number 3. My item number 3 is the one that I'll use when I'm doing my clients at the salon. You know, when you're doing your lines, you want to plait those neat lines, guys. You put this one so that you open your lines nicely, guys, and your work will look amazing. Your work, you will look amazing. What you are doing will look good. I'll put it here, guys, and show you ukuthi iphuma kanjani. And then this one, guys, oh, my new baby, guys. I was so happy, I was so excited to have this new baby. I'll be putting my cards, my bank cards, my whatever cards, guys, anything there, my cards, guys. You only insert, I'm sure, 6 cards. So I'll show you. Take a look at this one, guys. That was my old Aluma wallet, guys. As you can see, the color, it's peeled off, it's old. So I'm using this new baby here. As you saw, guys, I inserted only 6 cards. Yeah, you see, guys, you just press it here on this small button, then your cards will just pop out. Then you select the card that you want. And it's portable, it's neat, it's nice, it's small compared to that old Aluma wallet of mine. That one was big, was huge, guys. But this one, guys, so portable. Very small, so tiny. And then this one, guys, yo, the funny thing, when I'm putting this thing, guys, people will be like, why you spoiling your watch? I'll be like, no, this is not a watch, guys. This thing is just for me to put gel when I'm plating my customers. It's meant for gel, when you're plating your customers, you put it on your hand, then you just put your gel when you're doing your customers, so that you won't apply the gel direct to your skin. Just look professional, guys. In the salon, sometimes you have to look professional, guys. Look the part. Just look the part, guys. Nje nawe wabona. Just keep the standard, guys. Look the part. Yes, just look the part, guys. So yeah, you see, you just put it like this, and then you put your gel on top of that thing. Then get busy with your clients. Get busy. Get pleased with your clients when you're looking professional. Nyayibona? Look professional. So guys, I was so excited. I was so excited. Finally, I'm having this baby. I was looking for this thing here in Jaws. I couldn't find it. Maybe I'm the one who didn't check nicely, but I couldn't find it here in Jaws. Maybe I was looking at the wrong shops. That's why I decided let me just order it Ulana at Temu once. Then I got it, guys. I got it at Temu. I was so excited, guys. Very, very, very excited. So yeah, guys, I'm so sorry, guys, again for not posting. I'm sure for 3 weeks, guys. Yo, guys, I'm so sorry. Guys, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me, but I promise from starting now, from with this video, guys, I promise I just keep up, guys. I'll be consistent, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. Really, really, really sorry. So, guys, and please don't forget to watch my live. I started my live challenge uh on a mini stepper. I'm doing a 30-day mini stepper challenge. So guys, if you're interested, just go that side and watch it. And then there's my best, best, best baby. My favorite baby, guys. My favorite baby. I couldn't wait to have this. I couldn't wait, guys. I couldn't wait to have this. Wow. I couldn't wait to have this, guys. It's Batin it's a home what dryer, guys. You know, if you're putting that styling gel, yeah, you're doing your client there is busy. You go about you put styling gel, just put it on your customer, set your dryer, and then to dry the customer, and then ashesha home, guys. You know. So let me not explain something that I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, guys, I was so excited to have this baby. So guys, as I was saying, I started a 30-day mini stepper challenge. Please, guys, do go and watch and support my channel. That's right. I'm doing a live every day from Monday to Sunday. Monday to Friday, I'm doing a challenge. Wow, guys. See these babies here. See these babies here. I'll come and explain these babies to you guys. So, I'm doing a live, guys, from Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. So just pop in, just comment, watch me, share your hearts. Go about and just show your support, guys. I will really, really appreciate it, guys. So that's why I was not posting the side. I was still struggling to do my live every day for my live stream. And then guys, it's December because who busy, who busy, who busy. It's very, very busy. After the workout, you're rushing to work. At work, who busy. Saloons, guys, is very, very busy. I come back late. I'm tired. I can't even do a tutorial. I can't even do anything. I can't even carry a camera. I can't even do anything, guys. But anyway, I'll try to squeeze. I'll try my best. Anything for you guys. I'll try to be consistent. Ne? So please do like and follow my live streams from Monday to Friday, say 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. I'll really appreciate. And then this my new baby girl, guys. This bag, guys. I was so shocked because you guys, you see these scissors. These are the salon scissors, guys. Not the scissors that we use here in the salons. Hey, guys, I see hairdressers just use anything as long as it's a scissor. But these ones are professional hairdressers scissors, guys. They do the work. They cut like nobody's business. They're very, very sharp. Like if you know what you're doing, yeah, you must get these babies. I was so happy to have these babies here. It's a set of two with those combs, and then with that small brush and a small cloth to wipe it, and then those two clips inside. That was the set. And then I got yeah, that was the set in this bag, guys. So wow, I was so happy, guys. I like the color. You see the color is like purplish. It's like yeah, change. I like It's changing like a chameleon, guys. Purplish, greenish, reddish. We can't you can't understand the color, but it's glowing. It's giving that bling bling. Bling bling, guys. See these new babies, guys. I'm going to do my work like a professional, like a pro. Yeah, that's my small cloth that I was talking about. Use it to wipe. You must look professional, guys, and be clean. You must clean your tools. If you're a builder, you must clean your tools. If you're a hairdresser, clean your tools. Whatever that you use for your work, clean it. Make sure it's clean. And then this one to my this one going. It's my cutter. Don't just put your dirty cutter on top of a client, guys. No. You must buy these things, guys. They are very affordable. So I've got three, guys. So I was just adding up. Now it's four. You know, put your clients clean stuff and look professional at the same time. Go about. So yeah, I got this one. Now I've got four, guys. I'm planning to buy more, cause you know you must do the business. You must move the business to another level, to another level. This one, I liked it. I loved it because it's not that heavy. It's too light. And this side, in South Africa now, guys, we've got this heat. I don't know whether it's heat wave or it's what, guys. It's very hot. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please come and support your baby, and then I'll use these new babies on you, and you feel good, guys. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Love you. Bye.